Hello and welcome back to the official Cricket Cart's YouTube channel. I'm Noah, and today we'll be going over how to remove and replace the electronic braking system for your Cricket Cart. For this job, you'll want a drill, a 14mm socket, a Phillips head bit, a 1/2" wrench, a small Phillips head screwdriver, an Allen wrench, and a pair of pliers. Begin by loosening the 2 thumb screws and removing the rear foot plate. For this next step, you will need the 1/2" wrench and the drill with a 14mm socket. You'll be loosening the 4 nuts and bolts holding the rear rack in place. After setting the hardware aside, remove the rack from the back of the cart. Using the same socket and wrench combo, remove the last 2 nuts holding in the 2 support bars. In preparation for the next step, remove the seat. Undo the 2 rear latches on the battery box. Now, grab the rear shroud carefully and pull it backwards. You'll have to unclip the rear lights. Press down on the tab and pull apart. Now you'll need the pliers and the Phillips heads. Use the pliers to grip the small nuts on the underside of the frame, then use the Phillips heads to undo the screws. The drill should work fine for the rear too, but you might want a small screwdriver or an angled screwdriver for the final. Once these nuts are removed, the outer shielding comes right off. With the Allen wrench, unfasten the tab holding the freewheel lever in place. Carefully angle the lever to remove it from the brake system. Now that the brake is exposed, use the Allen wrench to undo the 3 screws fastening it to the motor. This is the motor to brake adapter. It should look like this. On older models, it may be smaller. If that's the case, we sell them on our website. You'll need to replace it too. Follow the wire from the brake up to the control box. You'll likely have to clip some zip ties in order to remove it, but don't pull just yet. Using the Phillips head, remove the 4 screws on the outside of the control box. Inside, you should find this connection. Pull up on the tab and unplug the wire. Then simply push out through the back of the box. Affix the new brake to the motor adapter with the 3 screws. Then plug into the control box. Once the brake is replaced and everything is reassembled, the cart is ready to drive. To learn more or to find a Cricket Cart dealer near you, check us out at cricketcarts.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.